I need them to understand this. We've crossed the Rubicon, the point of no return. There is nothing anybody can do. If I'm alive, if I'm dead, if I'm wherever I may be, Biafra will come. If I'm dead, it's even better because it will come far more quicker.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Of recent, you know, Nnamdi Kanu has been rearrested, my people. So upon that, the British High Commission has spoken on the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. That's the IPOB, my people. When I services, since where this matter pop up, a lot of news don't come out. A lot of people don't come give versions. People where they say they arrest them for Germany, others said in UK, others said in Nigeria. A whole lot of stories. So the British government has finally spoken about the arrest of mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Dean Hurlock, a spokesman of the British High Commission, told the cable that while they can confirm Kanu's arrest, he was not picked up in the UK where he is based. The IPOB leader, who is also a UK citizen, had been in the UK since 2017 when he fled Nigeria. Abubakar Malami, Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federal Federation, had told journalists on Tuesday that he was picked up on Sunday due to the collaborative efforts of Nigerian intelligence and security services. The AGF did not say where exactly the secessionist leader was arrested, but Hurlock told the cable when contacted that it was outside of the UK. We can confirm that Nnamdi Kanu was not arrested in the UK for extradition purposes, he said via text message. Kanu was first arrested on October 14, 2015, following years of his campaign for the sovereign state of Biafra. He was granted bail in April 2017 but fled Nigeria in 2017 after soldiers invaded his residence in Abia State during a military clampdown on IPOB members. It has been difficult for the government to rearrest him since then, due in part to his UK citizenship. While in the UK, he set up a militant arm of IPOB, whose aim, according to Emma Powerful, IPOB spokesman, is to halt every criminal activity and terrorist attack on Biafra land. But the emergence of the security outfit coincided with a spike in violent attack in the southeast, with security agents mostly targeted. So my people, now the matter that way the commission for British it talk say Nnamdi Kanu was not arrested in UK. He was arrested out of UK, my beautiful people. That's na matter wey dey out. And when I sabi say this arrest, as I don't talk before, it dey like now the second coming of Nnamdi Kanu, as they take talk, my people. This one na freedom fighter. For fight freedom, it means say people supposed talk. It means say some certain people go be arrested. Some certain people go lose their lives. But at all, now the results for the end, now it matter, my beautiful people. Whether how many people be arrested before then, how many people be persecuted, so long as at the end of the day, my beautiful people, freedom is attained, or referendum, it don't actually come in place there. Now that one, now the results, now count and matter for us. Yes, my people, make them accept the referendum. Now make you make your choice. You won't be Nigerian or you want go for Biafra land. As easy as that. Let the people go. Shebina by force again, my people. Anyways, I go leave video for Yahweh that the protest, my beautiful people. Make una watch them how River State youths don't come out contact say no. The demand for immediate release of mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Make una watch for yourself. And if up to here you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Love you all. Choose freedom.
Biafra. Over 6 crowd the way they come. Oh my God, what is happening here? What are we not saying? Biafra, this is state of Biafra, this is state of Biafra. Ali Guacha, Ali Guacha, Ali Guacha, Ali Guacha.
All these boys, how they were starting, that's why they got this Nigerian flag. They watch this flag now. You ever get by now? I'm not the noise.
Oh boy.
Don't be small thing.
Oh boy, c'est crowd, man. Nigeria flag, the one bring them down. This is Biafra land. Come on, carry everything. Carry everything down. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
yes, this is Biafra land.
Jesus is you.
Where's our side? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Biafra will go. Biafra, here we are. And Iguacha, come on, declare the state of Biafra. Declare the state of Biafra. Ah, see me online now, man.
So you know the book flag.
Ah, who's gonna do?
You know the book the Nigerian flag.
For Buhari to tamper Nnamdi Kanu'S, he is finished.
Nigerian flag.
For Buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu'S, he is finished. Yeah, he's supposed. Declare this war. We are there. We are going there. Oh, Buhari must obey Biafra.
Just say one. Johnny, Buhari must obey Biafra. Nigerian flag, how would I turn it out? Jordan, that is a woman you crowd. The single, Buhari must obey Biafra, obey.
Oh, but see, guys, see, man, this is something terrible.
I never seen this before.
For Buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu'S, he's finished.
No, you can't talk about that. Little crowd.
Oh, but see.
Carlo. Awa Hausa.
Okora Hausa.
Awa Hausa. So good or what? So. Where the fuck?
We are Biafrans. Biafrans to the core. The day when they go declare the sovereign state of Biafra, mission is on mission.